Hi, welcome back everybody. This is Paul's Southern Adirondack Outdoors. Today we're going to be putting a maple on the sawmill. It's just a fun maple. It's a little funky shaped and a little interesting character-wise. We'll see what comes out of it. I'm not expecting much, but maybe some shells or something. And I also have, you can notice the hat I'm wearing is Buckhart Properties down in Missouri. It was sent to me by Senior Redbeard. He has a YouTube channel, Senior Space Redbeard, SR Space Redbeard. And I first ran across him with the Ford 5000 you see behind me. He has one as well. And he has had a problem with the power steering. He had to replace his power steering cylinder, take it off and rebuild it. And I did too. And I was at a point where it was getting frustrating. I was aggravating things working on, and found his video and helped me along with trying to fix this thing. As you can see by the weeds, it hasn't moved for a while. Well, that's not because of the power. Oop, little Bambi just ran away. Where did he go? I don't know if you can see him. He's over by the white pine over there. Let's see if I can zoom in. Let's see, where was I? Got distracted. So I tried fixing the power steering. His video came up and it was a great help. And later on, I replied to one of his videos and won this hat. I told him I'd wear it in one of the videos to promote his properties. We're gonna head up on the Kubota to get the maple log. We took a little detour. We're up to the cabin. It's really not that far of a detour, but got the log on the forks. You see it's pretty lumpy bumpy, so we should see what the grain looks like inside. Anyways, I stopped up here to show you this tree. It's a tree that I had no idea what it was. There's a leaf of it. And probably spent a year figuring out what it might be and came up with some options. It turns out it is a slippery elm. And elm up here is pretty rare. You see it in fence lines, but you don't never see them in the woods like this. At least I haven't. And this was an interesting surprise. After identifying this one, we found a few more in the woods. I wanted to give a shout out to Virginia Tech. They helped me identify it. I have to go over here in the shadow a little bit, so I'll show you this. They have an app, Virginia Tech Tree Identification. Allows you to plug in your location, and if you have a question, you can ask Dr. Dendro. And I sent him some pictures and asked him what he thought it was, and he says it's in the elm family, definitely, and probably a slippery elm if the top of the leaves was rough like really fine sandpaper. So it's a very handy app, and they actually reply to you when you ask them questions. Probably the best tree app I found so far. I've used quite a few. Alright, now we'll go back down to the sawmill. Okay, we got it on there. Now I'll rearrange it. I gotta stare at it for a while, see how it should go, then I'll bring you guys back. Okay, we're ready to go. I got the log the way I like it. And let's see. Oh, I didn't get any measurements on it. Hold on 1 second. Okay, the length is about 7'5". Up here at the end, oh, I guess you guys want to see that too, huh? There we go. At the end, we got a crotch here. 2 trunks came off, and it's just shy of 24 inches. And on the other end, let's see here. It is about 18 inches wide. So it's a pretty funky log. Just a play log, we'll see what we get out of it. Maybe some shelving or something. Maybe readjust you and we'll start sawing. Promising. Let's see, I think one more off and we'll roll it. I'll sweep it and see what it looks like. That could be interesting. Let me see if I can figure out how to get you guys off of here. And there we go. Hey, where'd you go? There we go, screen went blank. And it's interesting, it's got some figure to it. A lot of bug holes, however. Hopefully they won't go too deep. The striping effect is interesting. All right, I'll set you back up and I'll roll it over. So that'll miss all the middle. I should get that. Okay, we'll give it a shot. Let's see, it doesn't look like I can use the clamps on this one, so I don't think it's going to move. But I said that before. inch off and see where it brings us. Where I was. Let's see what that got us fanting. It's looking good. Still got bug holes in it. I've got some little ants crawling in it too. Hopefully we don't find a nest down a little bit deeper. Let's see, that sport's good. That one's good. We can take a... Let's see, we haven't gotten to the bulk of it yet. I think we'll take another 1 inch just to get us down to level where there might be something better. Okay, 1 inch and 1/8. I just put a brand new 4-degree blade on it. Cuts like butter. I like the 4 degrees for hardwood. Get these off. There we go, that's looking pretty good. Interesting at least. I'll bring you in. Let's see. It's starting to look interesting. Yeah. Still a little buggy though. Hopefully this doesn't all go to Ralphie for firewood. Yeah, it's coming up pretty good. The farther down I go, the more interesting things get. Try to go slow here so I don't shake you all over the place. I'm not seeing any bug holes now. Unfortunately, there's only one more slice to go. But get a couple good pieces out of it. Some good crotch figure. Yep, that might be, nope, that's not a bug hole. Thought it was a bug hole. Okay, so one more slice and we're probably done. That'll do. Okay, that'll hold it in. Let's see, can I get a clamp on it? No. Okay, don't move. Ooh. Let me start from the other end. And here's the last two. Flipped them open like a book. Could be interesting. I have to think of a project for these. Looks like I might make a perfect epoxy river table. But epoxy's not my thing. So we'll see. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe. Have a good day.